How to refer friends on Temu. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually refer friends on Temu and actually get commission out of it. So I'll be showing you step by step in this video how you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get right in. Now, first of all, you're going to want to create an account with Temu, and I can do that by using an email or whatever it may be. Now, once you actually go ahead and create your new account, head over to the use section, and then it should be just like this, as you can see on my screen. Now, go ahead and click on earn credits and free gifts. Once you do that, you should be able to see that we do have a few things here. Now, the third and fourth option are essentially the affiliate program, as well as the sixth option, which is the cash affiliate program. Now, if you want to go ahead and refer friends in order to get a reward, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on one of these. Now, you can see here, this actually a $50 cash to PayPal reward here. Now, I can actually claim this if I can actually go ahead and invite some people. Now, all I have to do is click the little orange little like kind of icon or like banner here, and all I have to do is just copy the code for the reward here. So it says right here, link copied, share with your friends, and all I have to do now is just share with my friends, and then that's how I refer friends in Temu, and you can actually make money off of this. There's plenty of people doing it with TikTok. You can see here, all these people right here are doing it with TikTok, and you can make videos as well with this to make money and get commission out of it. You do get a lot of money out of this if you are incredibly big on social media. So essentially, that's how you refer friends in Temu.